Hi folks, in today's video tutorial I'm going to show you the difference between point pattern and the hole created directly on the points. So let's start with the hole directly create on the points. We will start from scratch, so I will create new sheet metal part. We can set name, for example, PP01 and confirm OK. And we will create new planar feature, and we can specify that we would like to create it here, and we will create a symmetrical rectangle in some dimensions. Yes, so it's approximately 500 and 300, so that's okay. And the specification of the thickness, for example, will be 5 millimeters, that we will see the sheet metal thickness also. Now we would like to create the sketch, and in the sketch we will specify sketch plane, confirm OK. And then we will create from the datum group the points. These points are datum points, so when we will select it, we can apply the placement of the points. And when you hit the middle button, the system automatically made the dimensions. You can create new custom dimensions and create a reference and so on. It's really easy to maintain these points. If I will finish OK, the points are created. The sketch is selected, and if you will right now create a hole, the system will automatically create holes on the points. So it's really fast, and you don't need to create additional pattern. Yeah, so that's great. You will specify only the depth of the hole, or for example diameter. And if you finish, the holes are created. In the model tree you can see that over here is only one hole. And this hole pattern, we can call this feature, is using the sketch one. If I will create the chamfer, for example, and specify some value, we are able to use the reference pattern immediately. Yeah, it's automatic reference, and if I will confirm OK, everything is done. If we will make changes on the sketch one, so I will select the definition and we will add more points, new holes will be automatically patterned and created, and also reference pattern for chamfer feature is working well. The question is if we are able to reuse the old functionality, for example from Creo 4, yeah, because on the old version of Creo was not possible to use this hole pattern. So I will delete these two features, hole and pattern of the chamfer, and we will start again from the sketch one. So what does it mean? We have a planar feature and sketch, which is including all necessary points as the datum points. And now if you will do not select the sketch, but you will select and create a hole on the point, the system will create the hole on the point. You are able again to change the depth, for example also diameter. And if you will finish, the system will create a hole. Now, for example, for old Creo, you can select the pattern. From drop-down menu, you will select the point pattern, and the system is requesting, you can select it here, select one item, you will select the previous sketch. The sketch is selected. If the sketch includes the points, the system will be able to create point pattern of the hole. And also, if you will continue with the chamfer, for example, we will create a chamfer here as before, and then we will create again pattern, and the system will create reference pattern. You can confirm OK, and all other changes are able to made in the first sketch. So if I will select the definition for the sketch, you can add or delete more points. Yeah, so I can delete, for example, these 2 points, and I will create a new one as the quick change. Confirm OK. Old holes are deleted, a new one is created, and a reference pattern is working. So in this video tutorial, we have seen that you are able to create the sketch. The sketch can include the points, and you are able to, with the selected sketch, create directly holes, which are patterned immediately. Or if you are using the old Creo, for example, Creo 4, this functionality is not working, so you have to really create a sketch with the points. Then separately you will create a hole on the point, and then you will use the pattern as the point pattern. Yeah, So if I will select the definition, over there is the point pattern. Thanks for these questions and take care. Bye bye. Vladimir.